Hi student, hi friends, I am Asit Tiwari. Today in the video lecture, I will discuss about the marks and the planning in the board exam. How do we get the good marks and what are the tricks and tips which can help us to get the good marks in the exam. So student, let's we see the one by one topics which will help you to understand how do we get the good marks. Number one, read the question paper thoroughly. That is very important things, because when a student who is attempting to exam, he must read the paper very carefully, because if he read the question paper, then he will understand with the questions, means he will maintain the understanding with the questions, and he will also decide how does he will say attempt the paper, and which question number is very important to do first in the series. Second thing is that decorate your answer sheet, because when you decorate your answer sheet, it means you have to use many of the tips and tricks. Because when a student decorate in what sense? When he apply the good writing, good and clean writing. Second things, avoid the overwriting and cutting. That is very important things. And next things that is very important, underline the facts that you desire to show to the examiner. That is very important thing. So in the first, you will apply the good writing, the clean writing, because good and clean writing, it will win the heart of teacher who is just correcting your sheet. Second thing that is very important, avoid the overwriting and cuttings. During the time of writing, you should do one thing, that all these type of the, you will say, mischievous activities in the writings must be avoided by the student. And very important things, underline all the facts that a student want to show during the writing of the answer, because examiner mostly he will not read the complete answer if the facts are available and they can clearly shown by the student through the underlining, through the various other way. Highlighting sometimes the student do it. So student, that is very important things. Next, we'll say things that is very important, that do the question paper in serial wise. That is very important things. When a student who attempt the question paper the serial wise, then he will also will say make the understanding with the teacher. Even he is also helping to the teacher to attempt the answers of the student sheet, because that is very important things. A teacher should not have any kind of the botherations while he is checking the sheet, because teacher have a very less time during the time of correcting the sheet. So this is the strategy which should be applied by the student, so that the teacher cannot face any kind of the difficulty, because he has all the answer over his fingers in the serial wise. If he do it, if he apply it, then it will help the student as well as the teacher. Even the student will get the help from the teacher in the form of award. And that is very important things that the student, while he is writing the answers in the sheet, he should use the examples, then quotations, and the dates in the roundly. Means suppose he is not having the clear date, suppose it is 1923, so he can avoid this date. Suppose he is confusing over 23 and 24, so he can write there that early 20th century. He can write in such a way, so he can not he is not writing the wrong things, and that is very important. And a student, I want to tell very important things, that students avoid the mistakes, because if a student is writing the very common answer, not a very good answer, not a very best answer, and if he is avoiding the mistakes, obviously the teacher have not the way to detect the marks of the student. That is very important strategy which should be applied by the student. And last one, the maps. So student, when you are attempting the maps in the board exam, so that is very important things, that maps where you are showing the or locating the places, they must be in a very, we'll say, clear direction wise. Suppose if you want to show the Chauri Chaura, so where you would like to show the Chauri Chaura, so this is the UP and this is the Bihar. So you can show the Chauri Chaura at the, you will say, border of UP at the north west direction. Means you should also learn and you will say understand the directions of the places which are related with the events, which are related with the person, and that is very important things. Because if you show the places in anywhere in the states, then it will make the kind of weakness of the student. So you should go with the clear direction wise places of the particular portions of the maps. So students, these are the strategies how do we get the good marks in the exam, and all these strategies I will also discuss about the preparation of the SST and how do we get the good preparation for the SST. So I will discuss all these things in the next video lecture. Thank you, student.